When organizations bid for government contracts, typically the process is very opaque to outsiders. So what happens when the media pays attention to the contracting process, even creating positive media attention for the organization trying to win a valuable contract? By analyzing a 16-year longitudinal study of over 1,500 S&P firms, researchers found that general media visibility and positive media reputation both negatively affect organizations' abilities to land government contracts. As it turns out, when the mass media gets involved, even in general non-political reporting about a firm, the media focuses public attention on that firm, making it more prominent in the eyes of the public. This can disrupt the level of opacity of a potential contracting situation, hurting its value-generating ability. But more surprisingly, researchers found that even positive media attention can have a negative effect on a firm's ability to get government contracts. As the media begins to shape public opinion about a firm, the firm becomes less likely to get awarded government contracts. Importantly, opacity in government contract negotiations is valuable, as it typically helps firms, politicians, and bureaucrats make deals happen behind the scenes. So as opacity diminishes, whether from general or from positive media attention, corporate political activity diminishes too. Wonder how non-political mass media attention disrupts corporate political activity? If so, you may want to read this paper.